Hey, now we're gonna give you guys a view from the back end, and we're only gonna do a couple different exercises here. The wind's blowing, so I hope it doesn't knock my camera over. All right, we'll see you guys soon. We're gonna do the offset tracking forward and the offset tracking back. All right, wish me luck. Talk to you guys later.
All right, well, I go to get in the truck. Remember a few things. During the test, don't run. Always use 3 points of contact to get in and out of the truck. Now, at the end of this video, you're going to see me getting out of the truck wrong, and I did that so I could show you that you're going to get out of the truck wrong. Okay, maybe I didn't. Maybe I just did it and didn't even think about it. So the first thing we're going to do is the offset tracking. We're going to pull forward, and you see this very front cone up here? We've got to come within 4 feet of that cone. So the trick to this one is to pull forward as far as you can until you feel like it's way too late, and then cut it hard, and then come out, and now then you're going to see me cutting it back over the other way. Now, there's a few things to keep in mind. You got to be within 4 feet of that cone, which we're totally there. And then when you finish the exercise, you have to be straight or parallel with the alley. Okay, so you see how I'm parallel with the alley now. All right, I'm going to stop. And now that I'm going to just reverse it. This is the offset back. So that exercise right there is called the forward offset tracking. This one is the back offset tracking. Now, the key to this one is to see this, the passenger side of your trailer, you want to put it really close to that forwardmost cone up there. Okay, not too steep, nice and shallow, about 15 degrees is all. Now then, get straight with your truck, come back in. Now the driver's side and the rear of the trailer, you start aiming for this cone right here. If you can't see the cone, go ahead and do a pull-up. You get 2 free pull-ups with this exercise, okay? So as you come back in, now notice I'm just kind of easing back in here nice and slow. This is key, don't get in a hurry. All right, my trailer's in the hole. I'm gonna start putting my truck in the hole now. All right, put the back of my truck in. Now you're going to see me put the front of my truck in. I'm going to straighten up, okay? Making sure that I'm not hitting any cones. Again, I get 2 free pull-ups, and I have to stop with the rearmost part of the trailer between these 2 lines right here. And boom, there it is. I know it looks like I'm too far, but that's the angle of the camera. Promise I'm within those lines. Now watch. Do not get out of the truck like this. This is a way to get auto-failed. See, no 3 points of contact. So make sure you get out of the truck using 3 points of contact every time. All right, guys.
Boom! Did y'all see that? Nailed it on the first shot. Put it in the back of this 3-foot box y'all can't even see. Now I'm going to give you a different view from what it looks like inside the cab to do this offset tracking. All right, stick around. We'll see you guys in just a minute.